Number 15 on page 301 is another exponential equation that we're going to use logarithms to solve. But in this case, our base is e, and we're going to use a natural log, so we'll see how that is applied in this case. With any equation, when you're trying to solve for a variable, you want to first isolate that term. So I'll begin by subtracting 3 from both sides of the equation. So I have 2e to the negative x equals 3. Divide everything by 2. So I have e to the negative x equals 3 over 2. Now I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. So I get the natural log of e to the negative x equals the natural log of 3 over 2. Now I can use one of my basic log properties that we learned in section 3.3. So the natural log of e to the negative x is negative x, and that's going to equal the natural log of 3 over 2. So my exact answer is going to be x equals negative the natural log of 3 over 2, which is approximately equal to negative 0.405. And then checking my solution, I'm going to substitute negative 0.405 in the original equation, which will make that negative negative, so it'll be positive 0.405. And when you put that in your calculator, you find that it equals almost exactly 6.